Hello, and in this video I'm going to be boxing the Astra Militarum Basilisk kit. Hello, so as I said in the intro, I'm going to be unboxing the Imperial Guard or Astra Militarum Basilisk kit. If you like watching videos like this one, please hit the bell button and smash the bell button, otherwise you won't get to hear about videos like this with your chainsword. That'd be cool. So I got this little sweet little kit from eBay. I think from GW it is possibly £31 or £34. I might be wrong on that one, but I think it's pretty much around there. And I got this for £26.99, so 27 squids, 27 English pounds. I got this kit. So needless to say, it's not in the wrapper, but I'll have a quick flash over the box. So the artwork is there's a dude on the back. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to be getting an extra guy in there. He's going to be used as an extra dude. I'll let you know what. So obviously this is a side picture of the Basilisk. On the back, if I spin it the right way around, you get the dude, aforementioned dude. This is the Basilisk itself. It says multi-part plastic kit, which is always informative. There's a bit of detail on the back, so whether I'll be going into a lot of detail when I'm painting it, who knows. Maybe I'll try a bit better than before. So obviously it's a Chimera base for a kit, but I will be using that dude. So without further ado, we'll see what you get in the box. Turn it the right way for you guys, otherwise that could be frustrating. Yeah, so I'm trying something new. This is a new format possibly for unboxings, who knows. See how it catches on. So there's the lid. Oh, decent sized box. Probably use it for a decent bits box. There's a lot of air in this box, so I'm guessing this is the main cannon with some other bits like a hatch. Let's move this off the way so you can see. Might be a bit better, yeah. And then there's some other bits and bobs, rivets, some holdy bits. We'll call them holdy bits, so that's going to go in there for the minute. So the next sprue is what looks like the gun plate, I want to call, and possibly the that's it. So it sits on here, and your dude can run around there. It's like the riser thing. I'm calling it a riser. It's probably not called a riser, but correct me if I am wrong. This looks like the little, it's focused, the little railing or a ladder for the back. Actually, that's what it is. That's cool. That's going away. This looks like, I'll leave that on to last, and I'll explain why in a second. And this looks like the base for the Chimera kit. So it's pretty much standard. This part, these parts, obviously that's just the bottom. So this is the basic Chimera track and body, which isn't bad. And then there's your little front bit for the cabin crew and dudes and stuff. I don't see any heavy bolts on this one, so we'll move on to that bit next. So there is no, from what I can see, well, first of all, good golly gosh, we'll speak English first. So there is a set of legs. There is at least one torso here. Is it going to focus? Maybe I should spin it around so you can see the actual part of it. Nope, focusing, nope. Nope. Basically there's a torso there, you can see it, some binoculars, a couple of heads, that's pretty decent, and a las gun. Do apologise for any noise that you may hear in the background. My annoying neighbour has just decided to start cutting his grass. Needless to say, I'll crack on. Hopefully that'll be fine. Big old missile, that'll be good. I assume it's meant for the hunter-killer missile. Some extra details for the, whatchamacallit, oh, and a heavy stubber. I've been wanting a heavy stubber for a little while, and to put on my thing is a dozer blade, which is not that big, but that's the little thing for the dozer blade. Get a little antenna. I think this is actually the, I think this is the Imperial Guard upgrade sprue, which you can actually buy separately, I think, for about a tenner, which isn't bad actually, because I've seen people using these for a hellhound variant. Ooh, the always important shovel. This must be the flamer. I want to say flamer. for the front, and then obviously this is the shooting stormbolter. Shooting stormbolter. Sorry, I just went off camera so I could see what I was looking at then. Yeah, but that's kind of a cool upgrade sprue. I might actually think of investing in this for separate, because you get an extra dude, you get a dozer blade if you haven't got them, and you can also, and there's some other like bits you can use for scenery or objectives. So there's like these cans, jerry cans, smoke launchers, some rope, an antenna. So basically, there's a lot of stuff there, and track guards too. So if you want to upgrade your tanks, this is actually a decent little sprue. So it, you know, might be worth the money. And the obligatory transfer sheet, which I might not use anywhere. Alpha Cadia, Armageddon, Valhalla, Katachan, Talan, Turan. If anyone wants to tell me what the Turan regiment is, I'm more than willing to listen. Rizar, that is the Forge World, I do believe. So we'll wind that off to one side. And the last thing to look at is, in fact, the if it focuses, is it going to focus? The instructions manual, which is cool. Obviously, the easy bit, the Chimera chassis. So that bit, as far as I'm aware, is exactly the same as the Chimera I've done before. So that should be no surprises to me. Should be. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I'll let you know when I've done the video, when I've done the assembly. And obviously this is the turret assembly. And this is your dude, tank commander kind of guy. He's actually called, it's called the hatch assembly, but you can have a dude on there. And then the last bit is the actual gun bit, slotting that in, putting your handrails on. I probably will put the handrails on. I think it'll look kind of cool, and the ladders, maybe. Oh, actually, I don't know. I'll have to let you know when it comes to it. But I won't be putting the dozer blade on. I don't see the point in it. And I don't think I'll be putting too much stowage on. So I'll be using them for objective markers and other things, and such and so forth. But as far as I can tell, everything's there. For 26 squids, 26 English pound, that's not so bad of a kit. Bit of a saving. And I'm looking forward to actually gluing this, because this is a bit of a beast. It's fun. It's not awesome. Anyway, shut up, I'm rambling. So if you liked it, one of them. If you don't, one of them. And as ever, if you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and the bell button, and you'll be informed. Thank you very much.